My head looks so big.
I know, it's just pretty close on.
Like, bitch, I know my days.
What scene am I gonna take? There's only one available.
Nope. She can sit wherever she wanted.
Nope. Can't sit in the front. Someone already called Shotty.
It's like you're trying to speak to me.
Is there? Oh, you put it on there?
Oh no, it's not in there.
I can't get it to say. My way. You guys go back to get it?
Oh, it's recording?
Yeah.
Stupid. I'm all looking at myself.
So call me maybe.
At your face.
So call me Ducky.
I was gonna say that. Teach me how to ducky. I'm all water leader.
Oh yeah,
the whole time?
Hey, no, he's gonna teach me how to ducky. To my life, I miss you so.
Wait, it has to hear it. But then we can't hear it.
You should watch your camera. Like, straight up in the water right there.
Where?
With it.
The dude, white sweater?
Yeah.
I don't want to get it dirty.
Someone should just like knock his ass down.
I'm scared. I want to get a waterproof camera.
I want one too. Let's get the GoPro. GoPro.
Hey,
Damn, that shit's expensive. It's like
It's $100, huh?
no, it's more than that. It's that little one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's more than that.
But here's my number.
Show me
So call me maybe.
The seagulls have come.
So should I stop recording it then?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
You have to put another catchy song now.
Okay.
Hold on. Stand in your face. Man down. Man down.